Hello everyone, October 16th, dropped down in the 40s this morning, going to be in the low 40s again tomorrow, and I really need to be getting some of my fall stuff in the ground. So this sweet potato patch here is going to have to come out. Now as you see how big this patch is, I got to tell you the incredible part is that it's only a 4-foot bed in there somewhere. This is the green growth that came off the 4-foot bed. Now, I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign. But first I'm going to have to try and cut my way into where the actual bed is to find out what's been growing. These were extra plants because in previous years the voles and the critters have eaten all the sweet potatoes. So I don't know if there'll be anything in here or not, but these were extra plants and I just couldn't let them go to waste. So I'm going to start clearing this stuff out. This is rather remarkable. These vines. Alright, I've cleared away a lot of the vines and just started trying a few little tentative digs, and I wasn't even sure there was a plant here, but I found another one of those banana sets. These are the red sweet potatoes with a white flesh. Boy, do I love those. They are so tasty. Never grown them before, but I guarantee you I'll be growing them again. So far, I'm not seeing any damage from the bugs or the voles, so that's a good sign here. Okay, there's a big plant here, right here. That's the one I was trying to work on. I kept backing up till I hit that other one. Up. Okay. Don't want to try and skewer any of these guys. Oh, look at that. And look at that. But wait, there's more. And what may be the biggest one yet? Look at that. And another one.
These are sold in the stores as the Japanese variety, Dave. The
are very expensive.
The purple with the white. Yeah.
These little guys, these guys will grow my slips for next year. So, all right. Let's go exploring here and find another plant. There's one. There's a little one. There we go, folks. Remember, I only put 3 plants in here. 3, maybe 4. These are easily the largest number of sweet potatoes per plant I've ever had on any kind of sweet potato.
You got a little one down in there, Dave. Couple little ones.
secured one. Almost. So these guys all came out of a 4-foot bed, and look at how fantastic they are. They're all the white flesh sweet potatoes. So these guys actually did better than the ones that are supposed to be growing here. So I'm in love. These definitely will be, next year's going to be even more sweet potatoes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. If you want more videos on sweet potatoes and peppers and gardening here in the South, please give it a like. Stick down what you'd like to see in the comments below, and I'll see if I can do it. Thank you for watching.